Today is December 27th at 1:59. Someone ran into my truck 6:11 at 9:45 in a parking lot. It was a hit and run. Driver left the scene. That's the information on the driver. This is the first vehicle, parked motor vehicle. That's my vehicle, parked motor vehicle. It's the other one that was the fourth one that was totaled, parked motor vehicle. Vehicle 1 appeared to come off the road, strike vehicle number 2. Vehicle 1 spun around to hit vehicle 3, which pushed 3 into 4. No driver was present in vehicle 1, indicating it was a hit and run, and there were no witnesses. And that's a drawing actually of the vehicles. That was the car that spun around. It ran off the road way over here and spun around. I'll show you some pictures where it spun around and backed into that. But that was my truck. And that was vehicle number 3. And that's where the side of my truck right there was pushed into the next truck. That was the side of it. That's the back of the truck. Pretty good looking little old truck. That's the front of the truck. And so as I said, that was 6:11. We started communicating and got their police report on 6. Anyway, we started. These are all the emails that we've been corresponding with. June 14th, 19th, 21st, 24th, 24th, 26th, 26th, July 19th, July 19th, July 29th, July 30th, August 1st, August 16th, August 16th, September 11th, September 11th, September 11th, September 13th, September 16th, September 18th, November 22nd, December 10th, and December 18th, and today is December 27th. I'm about ready to send them another one with this video just to see what's going to happen to getting a claim done on my truck. So what our hang up is they're not wanting to send me a comparable, so I found a comparable for them. And this is an 86, mine was an 87 C30. You can see it's pretty much like mine. That one sold for $30. That wasn't the asking price. That was the actual sale price on it. And it sold on January 9th, 2024. Mine actually was a nicer truck than that. It had custom hood. It had a custom grill. Had a custom tailgate. It just was as... It was a Silverado 30, just like that one. So that seems to be our problem right there, is they don't understand the value of the truck. So that's what I found, and they're showing me some trucks that are not even close. So don't know where this is going, but I'm getting really tired.